Okay. So sorry to delay the matters. I thank all the attendees who have come. We have about 25 attendees by now. And we have some honorable guests who have joined us. One is the past District Governor of New York, Rotarian Krishnan Chittur. I welcome you, sir. Very good morning. Then we have Sunita Shirguppi. She is an ex-principal of Karnataka High School, or Kalmadi High School. Milind Palkar, another Rotarian from Shivajinagar. Sanjeev Chaudhary, who has good help in our technical matters. I am just thinking if there are any other senior Rotarians who have joined. Okay. I think that's about all for the moment. So thank you very much, all of you, for having joined us. I see that about 50% of the I welcome this. I want to just thank the District Literacy Committee, teacher support for having initiated these webinars of enterprise education. Today there will be no lectures. I hope you are all listening. Today there are no lectures.
Yes.
We are going to have only a small number of attendees so that we can give you personal attention. We have got some guest Rotarians from other districts also. Including Pakistan, one from Bangladesh, a Rotractor, all are welcome. Since this is a tutorial, it is based on your satisfaction with having got your problems and issues resolved. So you can join and leave at will. The timing for today will be a flexible from about 40 minutes to 1.5 hours, depending on the needs of the participants. The purpose of the tutorial is to share your ideas of the worksheet answers and learn mutually. The worksheets were already sent to you. I have a quick question for the participants. If you are now attentive, can you put in the chat box how many of you have already attempted the worksheets? Just say yes, then I will know that you have attempted the worksheets. Just put in the chat box, please. बत्तीस का chat box मुझे. Okay. All the participants are requested to switch off their microphones if you are not going to speak. Whenever you want to speak, please unmute yourself. Okay, we have about 8 participants who have said that they have attended the worksheets. Thank you very much. You can seek any clarifications by intervening. When you want to talk, just switch on the mic and say something, or raise your hand either electronically or actually whenever you have a point. Actually, I may not see all because all of you are not on my screen. Or you put your view on the chat box for everyone to know it. If many of you are talking together, do not mind if I ask one of you need to continue and the others to wait. Can I repeat my request that those who are, all of you are requested to mute your microphones. How do I get back? Okay. I'm now proceeding. Okay. 2 important announcements. There will be 3 more teaching webinars. And all those who submit 50% of the worksheets which have been sent to you until now, and those that will be sent later, will be eligible to get the Certificate of Enterprise Education attendance of this webinars. Please submit all your certificates on email only to pradeepwag.rotary@gmail.com. Another important announcement is that the last webinar will be a preliminary business competition. The details of this will be disclosed to you as we go on. And in that competition, after some elimination if required, we'll have 5 participants. Each will be given about 7 to 8 minutes to talk, present their case of business plan. The first prize is declared as rupees 10,000. Sponsors is Cubics Tech, Rotarian Nitin Naik. The second prize will be rupees 5,000. The sponsor is Development Education International Society. Then there will be some notional prizes to encourage the people who have joined or participated. Are you excited about it? Yes? You can use the chat box to answer, please. Good, good. Thank you very much for your response. I'm so happy to hear that. Okay. The plan today is first we'll take a recap of the awareness webinar, not in detail, very briefly. Then today we are focusing only on activities. The first activity will be existing enterprise skills, then riding your hobby horse. Third, next activity is enterprise linkages and ways to find business ideas and business on the crossroad. The focus today is to try and help you crystallize on some idea, or at least 3 ideas, which you will pursue to the point where you can take it to a business plan. Now, just to recap, this is the website enterprise-education.in, which is our teaching website. I just want to know quickly how many of you have visited this website. Can you say yes, please? Those who have visited the website? Okay, Tanishka has visited, she says. Anybody else has visited the website, please? Huh? Mahek Patel, Sanchita, Ruchi, I think Soham, Sunita ji, of course. Thank you very much, quite a few of you. So those who have visited, thank you very much. Those who have not visited, feel free to visit it later. Once you log in over there, you will find that there are different levels given there. The first level, in that only visit the secondary and higher secondary level. In the secondary and higher secondary, there are lessons which are our general modules, business studies and vocational. Currently, we have taken lesson 1, 2, 3 and a lesson 12 from the business studies. Then there is a college level also available there. I would suggest that you will do when you make your actual business plan. In this particular webinar series, which will end with the 5th webinar, we are going to do only preliminary business plan. The preliminary business plan is more a teaching aid. That means you are using it just to know what are the contents of a business plan, how to be enterprising in your aptitudes, etc. When you really get down to making your own business plan, then you use this college level. I just wanted to also inform you that has anybody of you clicked on the link I sent of the Udyog Sadhana Navi Vatsal videos? Can you say yes or no, please? Just say yes if you have visited. There are videos on our YouTube channel. There are 27 videos there. Huh? Okay, as of now, I don't see anybody who seems to have visited. Doesn't matter. Okay. Do visit that website, the YouTube channel. Just give a search in YouTube of Udyog Sadhana Navi Vatsal. There are 27 teaching videos over there. All of them are in Marathi, and you can keep following those videos as our lessons are progressing. In the webinars, we are not going to take all the lessons because it's not feasible. But through those 27 videos, the entire syllabus of enterprise education can be covered. Normally, I teach that particular subject in a one-term teaching lessons once a week. But in the webinar, we are only going to make you familiar with it. So please do visit the Udyog Sadhana Navi Vatsal videos. Okay. Now we come to the exercises. I know that Tanishka, Shriti, Sanchita, Soham, Swarali have already submitted their worksheets. Thank you very much. Feel free. I would like Tanishka, Shriti, Sanchita, Soham to unmute themselves, because I would like you to participate in the discussion since you have already attempted it. Those who have not yet solved them, don't worry, keep following us. And this particular enterprise education, please remember that it is founded on the basic principle that everybody is entrepreneurial the day he is born. Because our desire to exist itself is enterprising. The day we are born, first thing we try to do is move our hands, then we try to turn ourselves, then we try to crawl, then we try to walk, then we try to run. So it's that aspect of wanting to find out something new about yourself is always there with us. So most of the time, I am only acting as a facilitator. I am not planning to give you answers of anything. Please do not ask me, sir, kaun sa business shuru karu bataiye. No, that answer will not be given. I am only going to post these activity sheets so that you can find your own answers. And as I said, the answer is just sitting in your heart. Okay, so first exercise, can you please focus on that? Those of you who have already downloaded these exercises, you can even open it if you have a second screen. If you don't have it, don't worry, just follow it now. Can I request Tanishka? Tanishka, are you there? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Tanishka. Soham, Bobre. Just say
Yes,
hello.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Then one more. Sanchita.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Who else is there? Okay. One of you, can you try and share with the rest of the people what enterprise skill you have listed? Let's go one by one. Sanchita, you please begin.
Passion.
Passion. Okay, good. Then Soham, can you share yourself?
Sir, initiative.
Initiative. Tanishka?
Strategy and aims and goals.
Just say it loudly.
Strategy.
Strategy. Okay, that's a good one. There's one more person who has attempted. Anybody else has attempted? Can you please unmute yourself and share?
Leadership skills.
Leadership skills. Swarali. Oh, Swarali. I was expecting you tomorrow, but I'm glad you're here today also. Today.
Confidence.
Confidence. Good. What else?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Suyog.
Yes.
Anybody else who has not submitted but would like to add? Please unmute yourself. Say what you want.
Communication skill.
Communication skills. That was who?
Ruchi.
Ruchi. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you. And I like the discipline you're using, Ruchi, that you unmuted, spoke, and then you went back. Good. Rest of you also, please feel free to complete the enterprise skills list in your own ways. Enter 7 more. After you had done that, I just want to ask one of you, Swarali or Swarali, can you tell me how did you rate yourself in some of these? Are you ready to share, Swarali?
Sir, in leadership skills, award, I would like to rate myself 7.
7
I have
points.
to learn more.
That's a very good description you have made of yourself. Then can I go to the next one? Shriti, can you take the next one? And how did you rate yourself?
So should I take the ones which are already displayed on the desktop or the ones which I feel?
See, right now we are in a discussion mode. So you can take either what you have written already or even what you want to add now.
Okay, sir. So talking about my core factor, that communication skills. So I would like to rate myself 8 in communication skills because I feel like I lack in some of the points. So
Good.
I need improvement and learning. So yeah.
Okay. That's a very frank thing. One good thing about entrepreneurs is they are always frank with themselves. They know where they stand. Only when you know where you stand, you can look for improvement. So that's very good, Shriti. Thank you. Tanishka, can you share the next one?
So I would like to talk about our aims and goals. I think we should be stubborn towards our goals and aims, so that
Stubborn,
we can,
yeah, very good. Good thought, yeah.
yeah, so that we can complete our goals. We can
Okay.
reach towards it.
Okay. Has everybody followed what Tanishka has said? And Tanishka, how do you rate yourself? Are you, how good are you at following your goals?
So I would rate it at 10.
And that's excellent. You are the first person who will become an entrepreneur. Good. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Who's left out? Soham. Soham, are you there? Can you
Yes, sir.
tell one
Sir,
trait
I
and how much
believe-
you rate yourself?
Sir, I believe a person should be open-minded. Like he should search for business idea in everything and anything he sees.
Okay.
So in this case, I would like to rate myself as 8 because
Good.
I need to just go out and see much more things. So that's why I rate myself as 8.
Very good, very good. So you have brought out a very, very salient point. Be able to look and spot interesting things, useful things, and anything and everything that you see around you. This is a very good trait of an entrepreneur or an enterprising person. Please develop it further. Now I think only one person is left. Who's left to share? Sanchita, is it? Or Ruchi, who is left now amongst you? Who else
Sir,
would
I
like to
will
share?
share.
Sanchita, please share.
Sir, I would rate myself as 9 for discipline.
Discipline, very good.
It is an important trait for an entrepreneur, and I think I will try to improve more to reach that 10.
Okay, good. I think I'll stop the discussion here. We have discussed it for about 5-7 minutes. Thank you very much, all of you. And did you all add up those points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what was your total score?
Sir, my total came to 78.
78. Very good. Anybody else would like to share? Tanishka, Swarali, Ruchi, Sanchita, or anybody else also from the audience who is wants to just unmute yourself, talk what you want, and get back. Yes, who would like to share? What is your total score? Yes, Anika. Anika is just joined.
So I haven't added up, but I wanted to talk about the skill of enterprise. Like optimism is very important in enterprise. Like
Okay,
if you are
okay.
an entrepreneur, because if you are working, you will deal.
Okay, wonderful. Never mind. I'm very happy that you talked about optimism. It's a very great trait that an entrepreneur should have. I am a social entrepreneur. I'm not a commercial entrepreneur. And I feel this trait which you talked is the one which has helped me a lot in whatever I am doing even today. One important thing is once you have put the points against each of the things, add it up. And this is just a guideline. The score means as under 80 to 100. Congratulations. You are very good in your enterprise skills. 60 to 80, keep it up. You have very good enterprising skills. 40 to 60, keep improving. And 40 or less, also don't give up. You can still develop your skills by a determination to improve. So thank you very much, all of you who participated in this. I usually like to prefer to talk of them as games rather than study exercises. These are more of games which we play with each other. These are in the tutorial. Is the rest of the class now happy with, and can you complete this particular exercise by yourself? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Thank you very much. So can I move on to the next exercise now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, thank you. Okay, the next exercise is business idea generation. This is a very good idea. The first exercise, the activity 2 in that is riding your hobby horse. Each one of you has got a beautiful hobby. Everyone has a hobby, but many times we don't develop it. But I don't mind even if you have not developed that hobby, but from that hobby, some enterprise idea will come out. The first example is given of painting. Draw and sell artistic paintings is the product enterprise. Service enterprise is to make signboards. And the trading enterprise is to be an art curator where you buy and sell paintings. Are you all clear about what is a product and a service? Goods and service?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So good is something physical which you can see, feel, touch. A service is something which you provide through your labor. So there's no physical product you develop. Like a coaching service, it's a service. There are so many other services. In fact, service enterprises are now growing a lot. Courier service is one more. So many are there. So I would request the rest of the attendees, there are about 25 now who are already logged in, kindly try and think of a hobby of yours and see what kind of products you can make out of that hobby, or what kind of service you can provide, or what trading you can provide. You can even focus on one particular idea. You don't have to answer all the 3. You can just take one Suyog has given a good answer. Can I just see Suyog's answer, please? Suyog, can you unmute yourself and share it? Suyog, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just share your thoughts, please.
Music classes like tabla and harmonium can be one of the hobby and interest we can develop.
Okay, that's all. Music classes. That music classes is a product or a service?
Service.
Very good. Very good. Anybody else would like to share? Can you please unmute yourself and share? Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Soumya this side.
Soumya. Yes, Soumya. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. My hobby is dancing, and I would like to start coaching classes for dancing. Like it's a service enterprise, and maybe like I want to become a choreographer.
Soumya, this is beautiful. And Soumya, just a quick follow-up question. With this lockdown and restricted movements, how will you conduct your classes?
Sir, I would conduct it virtually. Like
Virtually.
for some of my friends, I'm taking now also, even now.
Okay, okay.
Like they're interested in dance, so I'm teaching them online.
Okay, okay. And which dance form you are teaching? Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Western?
Actually, my main dance form is Bharatnatyam, but besides, I know more 11 dance styles.
Oh, 11 types of dances.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Soumya, Bharatnatyam is one of our oldest civilization's gift to the society.
Yes, sir.
It started as a prayer to the gods and has now become a very beautiful dance form. My daughter in America also runs a dance class of Bharatnatyam. She teaches about 100 students online nowadays.
Yes, sir.
So congratulations, Soumya, for that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, just as a teaser, if you were to do a product enterprise in dancing, hobby of dancing, is there anything which you can think of?
I need to think upon it, sir.
Okay, good. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. I don't. You take it as a quiz question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Can the rest of the attendees please also attempt this? And if anybody else wants to share, like Soumya did right away, just.
Sir,
No.
I being a motorhead, I mean, I love cars a lot and I love knowing about them, gathering information like that. So
Okay.
as a service enterprise, like I can pursue automobile journalism.
Automobile journalism. That's a new one on me. Yeah, that's good. In fact, I don't think there are any auto journalists in India, or are there?
Sir, there are many of them.
Okay, okay. But good, good. So you were talking about automobile journalism. That means you will report.
Yeah,
You'll
like
report on
new vehicles coming, upcoming news on cars or reviewing some of them.
Yeah, yeah.
Like that.
Sunaina, who is Sunaina? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you share what you thought just now?
So I think terrace farming is the best idea. Nowadays, people are preferring organic food. So I have a big terrace over here, so I can produce good like fruits, vegetables, and
Very
can
good.
sell it out.
So that will be a product enterprise for you. Am I right? You
Yes.
will produce those
Yes.
things and sell. Beautiful. Because first
Yes,
time I
sir.
got a product idea just now. Till now we were having only
Yes, sir.
service ideas. Sunaina, thank
Yes.
you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. 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 I think I will stop the discussion here. Are you all clear about what we are talking?
Yes,
How
Yes,
to
sir.
sir.
identify
Yes,
enterprises
yes.
from hobbies. Okay, good. Thank you very much. There is a limitation because we are online, so we are not looking at each other face to face. But are you happy with the way we are conducting the tutorial just now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you very much. And even the rest of you, please feel free to share your thoughts. So please complete that. The next activity is enterprise linkages. In enterprise linkages, what we do is we try to trace to what all enterprises our own enterprise is going to be linked. Why do you think this understanding is important? Trying to understand the linkages of our enterprise? Can anyone volunteer that answer? Anyone from all the 25 or 26 people who are logged in now? Why is it important to understand the linkages of the enterprise which we are going to do? Why can we not just be in a silo? Okay, this is my enterprise, that's all. Anyone
We
like to answer?
should know that Means our enterprise. What does our enterprise promote?
Okay,
Which
good.
businesses is our enterprise supporting?
Supporting. Okay. Swarali, you have raised your hand. Can you tell me what is your thought?
So to know what all things are required and so we can arrange it properly for our business.
Good. Understanding the resources. Anybody else wants to raise your hand? Please raise your hand so that I can see it. Electronically, you can raise your hand. Shriti Mishra has raised hand. Please, Shriti, share.
Uh, so talking about linkages, by linkages, we will get to know about the production cost and we will be able to eliminate the unnecessary production cost which will hamper our business.
My God. Okay, Shriti, you have jumped at least five lessons ahead. You have talked about costing, which I'll come to much later. Thank you, Shriti, for having answered that. It's very important. And also, you have to understand the linkages because you must know what will keep the flow coming to you of your components, piece parts, or sub-services. Unless those components are working, you will not be able to do your own business. So the example is given here of ready-made garments. He needs tailors to make the garments for him. Then the tailors need thread and cotton. Tailors need cloth. Cloth has to be transported because it is made from cotton. Then there are buttons he needs. The buttons are made by plastic molding manufacturers who in turn depend on chemicals. Then tailor also needs sewing machine. Sewing machines in turn depend on their manufacture for metals. Now there is one pattern in this particular diagram which I have drawn. Everywhere the enterprise linkage is ending at a particular point of what is that point? Can someone
Where
think?
it is raw material.
Yes. And raw material from where? Does it come from the moon or the Mars? Where is it coming from?
Nature.
Yeah, you are right. So all things, all enterprises normally have some linkage with nature because we derive our sustenance from nature itself. So therefore you see that everything can end with nature. Now, when you do your own linkages, you don't have to necessarily go to the point of nature, but try to go to that point. Then you will understand that there are many beautiful enterprises linked to you. So that is our next exercise. There are blanks available here. From those various hobbies which we discussed, some idea if you have formed, I would like to give you about 3 minutes or so. For those who have not yet solved this exercise, you don't have to necessarily put it in this diagram, but just draw the linkages of whatever idea you have got. I'm going to wait for about 3 minutes by playing a little music. Meanwhile, those who have already answered, just deliberate on it, and I will take those answers up a few minutes from now. Go ahead. Vijay? Good. Shall we wait? Now, those who have not spoken till now, any one of you, can you please electronically raise your hand or just unmute and start talking, please? Anybody who has not spoken till now? I prefer if you can electronically raise your hand. Now, if you want to know where to electronically raise your hand, you have to go to the more button and over there. Am I right? Over there? Where is the raise your hand? I think it's in the participants. Can somebody tell where the raise your hands is given?
Sir, it will come in more option.
Okay.
More and then raise hand.
More than raise hand. Okay. Somebody who has not talked till now, can you unmute yourself and share your views, please? Just go ahead and share. I'll listen to you. I'm listening. Vaishnavi, is it? Vaishnavi, have you? Do you want to talk? Yeah. Who wants to talk, please? Share. मला दिसत नाही. Huh? Okay, Shriti Mishra, I think you are ready. Can you please share? Huh? Okay. Shriti बोल ले लिया ना. Who is ready? Who would like to share? Is anybody ready to share the linkages?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Sanchiti, please go ahead, Sanchita.
Sir, for a baker, the various products he needs is butter, flour, sugar, and oven.
Okay.
So butter can be come from factory. For flour, we can buy it from wholesale or a retail shop. And to that wholesale shop, it might come from wheat fields.
From wheat fields, yeah. Okay.
For sugar factory, and it reach the factory through a sugarcane farm.
Very good.
And oven can be made of metal.
Yeah. That's very good. Sanchita, you have shared very well. And as you can see, again, you have been able to go right up to the nature from where these enterprises are linked. Thank you very much. Anybody else would like to share, please? One more we'll take and then we'll move on.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, who is it?
Suyog.
Suyog, go ahead.
Yes, electrical wall fan.
Electrical?
Wall fan.
Okay, wall fan. Yeah, good product you've chosen.
Yes, it requires screws, wires, fan blades.
Wires, fan, yeah, fan blades.
Insulation wire also.
Insulation wire.
Wires can be of two types. One is copper wire, which is required for winding, and other is a insulation wire, which is required for the connection.
Correct.
So, yes, screws can be made up of metal, and metal can be come from mines. Okay. Then copper wire, that is for use for winding, which we required from copper, pure copper.
Right.
Yes, and for fan blades, it can be made up of plastic also, or it can be made up of metal also.
Okay.
And insulation wire, plastic coating. After that, inside copper.
Okay, very good. Suyog, you have done a very good enterprise linkages. I just have one more question to you, Suyog.
Yes, yes.
What is this suggesting, these linkages? What is it suggesting to you?
In which sense?
In the sense that what are the other enterprises or entrepreneurs or stages of your production? What is it suggesting to you?
I need to think on it.
Yeah, okay. For me, it is suggesting what are the other entrepreneurs you need to develop to do your own enterprise. If I'm a fan assembly, if I want to start a manufacturing unit of fans, wall fans, I must know what are the vendors I have to develop, or who are the existing vendors. I must get information on them.
Okay.
And then accordingly start linking with them. Do you agree with that, Suyog?
Yes, yes, definitely. Because we can outsource this work to different vendors also. That
perfect.
Yes,
perfect.
We can say that the screw making vendors can be different.
Right,
right. Fan blade, or after that we can check the quality of vendor also. So from where we can purchase that.
Correct.
And the quality of wire is also important. There are many types of wires in the gauges, we can say.
Right.
Present. So type of wire can be applied for that particular fan is different. because different fan needs different type of wires according
Excellent.
according to the requirement.
Excellent.
It can be used because the homemade fan needs different gauge of wires, and in the company, means in the manufacturing company, their fans are bigger than home fans.
Right.
So there we can apply different, because whatever we are using there, that is for big use, and in the home fans we are using for small scale area, but the company, manufacturing company, they used to cover big area. So there is a difference between types and other according to the use of that.
Very good. Okay, I want to ask a question to the rest of the audience. Suyog has given us a very beautiful exposition of fan industry itself. Does it not give you confidence? Yes or no? Put it on the chat. Does it give you confidence? Does it not give you confidence that yes, within you, that entrepreneur is already there. All information is already there with you. All you're trying to do is just get it together. Don't you agree? Yes, somebody said thumbs up. I think Sunita. Thank you. Sagre Homantat. Very good. Sorali, you have raised hand. What would you like to share?
Sorry, sir, it was by mistake. My mistake.
Oh, never mind. Sometimes the mistake also helps in finding out something about yourself. Okay, shall you go to the next exercise? Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Are you enjoying the exercise, first of all?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Yes, sir.
Good.
So,
Thank you, Beta. Okay, this next one is a bit more difficult than the previous one, but I'm sure you'll be able to handle it, or you have handled it already. This has given 5 stages of human development: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, this is not necessarily age related. Part of it is age related. Part of it is just your own emotions, your intelligence, your general development in life, and what are the things that's happening. The A stage is infant growth with good values. This is normally age dependent, about 5 to 6 years age. Youth education and empowerment, partly age dependent, because once you go into school, then college. But a person might, like me, even tries to learn now. For example, the other day I attended a class on laser technology. So that has got no end, but education and empowerment. Then those who want to get into enterprises, then judicious economic enterprises they can get into. Then those who want to get into family life, that is the next stage. After family life is community and world as a family, where you look upon the community and the world as a part of your family. Then unification with nature, where you start thinking about what is going on in nature, what I can do for it. Then another mental stage or spiritual stage, whatever you call it, is timelessness, where you think of doing something which will be useful for ages to come. The last stage is cosmic harmony. These stages are based on our Indian civilizational values. It is very similar to Maslow's need hierarchy model, but I found this model to be better because it is based on our own civilization. I'll give you a quick example of myself, and then you can then we'll take over your examples. Way back in 1980s, I think it was around 84 or 85, 1984, 85. My first child was about 4 or 5 years old, and then I wanted that child to hear nursery rhymes. So I went to a shop which sells that. Tape recorders, and I said, I want a tape recorder. So he asked me a very polite question, sir, may I know what is our application? So I said, oh, I want my child to hear nursery rhymes. So then he showed me portable tape recorders. In those days, we used to have audio cassettes. Nowadays, you don't get them. He said, sir, this is good because the child keeps moving, he said, in the house. And you have to move the tape recorder along with the child. You know, this is an insight which only a entrepreneur can give. I could not have thought of it. I would have bought a stationary one and then found it difficult to move it around. He said, no, sir, just take a lightweight one. And he gave me a fairly sturdy one because he said the child might even drop it. See, these are the things which he's talking because he's knowing that I am in the phase where I'm thinking of infant growth and with good values. Interestingly, 4 or 5 years later, I went to the same fellow. Interestingly. So I said, I want a tape recorder. Again, he asked me that polite question, sir, may I know what purpose you have got in mind? And I said, oh, I'm going abroad and I need a tape recorder which I can go into my briefcase. In those days, we used to carry briefcases, not laptop cases. So he says, can I know what that is for? I said, oh, when I go abroad to Europe, I want to listen to radio programs and TV programs and see if there are any programs for youth. Because I want to record those and come back and do something similar here in India. So he said, sir, give me 4 days now. I don't have something to suit you. So 4 days later, when I go there, he brings a very thin, 1.5 inch or 2 inch thin tape recorder. He said, sir, this is what I found for you. I opened my bag, put it in. Ah, that's it. That's what I want. You see, that fellow had sensed that I had changed from the phase A to the phase E now. The product is same, tape recorder, person is same, but the thinking has changed. And it is with that tape recorder that I recorded the programs of in Netherlands, in Germany, wherever I went in Europe. And based on that, this enterprise education program has been now established. So this is what you have to think. Think of your client when he is coming to you, what stage of life he is in, what is he really talking about. So we have the first stage, infant growth with good values. As an entrepreneur, you are trying to help somebody. Example is given, baby food. Can you please share your thoughts? What business ideas you can have in the first phase of human development? You can just put it into the chat box. Share your ideas. A. Oops. A. Huh? Screen change झालं? चॅट बॉक्सला जातात कुठून माझ्या इथून जात नाही चॅट बॉक्सला चले कोणी चॅट मध्ये Can you put your thoughts, please? Infant growth with good ideas, a business idea which you can use for that phase. Yeah, somebody has put something. Books that teach good habits. Thank you very much. Books that teach good habits. Infant healthcare. Daycare. Yes, very good. What else? Good. Thank you very much for sharing. Those who have already done that exercise. Can you move to the next stage? Youth education and empowerment. What can you do for? Huh? There was one more example of the earlier one, child clinic, but I'm going further now. Okay. Can we go to the next one? Coaching class is an example given. What else can you do for youth education and empowerment for children or youth who are going to school, colleges? Sports club is a good idea. Books is a good idea. What is that? Sanskar? Sanskar Bhati. Value education. Okay. Counseling. Huh? Okay, good. Very good business ideas. Thank you very much. Now, C is a sort of says judicious economic enterprises, where I'm talking about enterprises to help another entrepreneur. Account service is one. Anything else which you can do for an entrepreneur himself? Yes, somebody has put something. Huh? Would somebody like to switch on and talk? Is anybody there? Auditing service is a good option. Yes. What else? Good, good. Tax consultant. Very good. Tax consultancy. Even legal consultancy is a good option, because many times a young person like you wants to start a business and he doesn't know what are the legalities involved in it. So it's good to have somebody who knows about it. Only don't get bogged in it. My first advice in about legal matters is still try to find something about it yourself. Don't get carried away by somebody who will say, "Arey, ye karna padega, wo karna padega." Find out the details and then only take that help. Otherwise, very often you get carried away. Okay, good. Shall we go to the next one? Family. Oh, this is a simple one. Family needs so many things. What are the enterprises you can do for a family needs and wants? I've given general stores as one example. Anything else? Just give your examples. Put it on the chat box, please. Huh? For crockery. Crockery and utensils. What else? Amusement park is a very good example. Yeah, very good. Botanic. Organic vegetables and fruits. Yeah. Online services for vegetables. Very good. Ruchi, you have raised your hand. Can you share what you want to say? Unmute yourself and say it.
Why mistakenly actually?
Huh?
Actually, why mistakenly?
Okay, never mind.
Sir, can I
yeah.
say something?
Who's speaking?
Yes, Suyog.
Huh?
Suyog.
Suyog, yeah. Please go ahead.
या जैसे आपने सर बताया डिवाइन फैमिली कि आप फैमिली के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. जो हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं उनका एक तो प्रोस्पेक्टिव होता है टुवर्ड्स देयर करियर. So we can encourage them or we can fulfill their wish, whatever career they want to pursue in the future. This is also one. This one can be example. Can be, I am not sure. This can be example towards the divine family. Their general stores, fruits and vegetables are just needs, I think.
This is a new one. What you are talking? Good, good, good. Thank you, Suyog.
Yes.
The next one is community and world as a family, where now you have, let's say, taken care of yourself, your family, and now you are thinking of products and services or trading for the community at large. Most of the Rotarians are in this field. They want to do projects which will help the general society, public. Library is one example. Can you think of such community projects? Okay, somebody has put yoga classes, good. Then marriage halls, yes, that's a very good. Parks, yes.
Social
micro lending, yes, micro lending is a good option, yes. Who was talking? Sanchita, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. In micro lending, we can provide funds for enterprises which are facing problems in getting funds or investments.
Yeah. Sanchita is a very good thought, and let me tell you that if you are going to be a good micro lender, there are various agencies like SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, who are looking for good people like you, who will take their funds and then redistribute it to smaller people. I can tell you,
social work for orphans and for people.
Social work also, yes. Micro lending, one thing I can definitely tell you, I have not done but facilitated a lot of micro lending, and we were about a big team in those days who used to work on this, and we were able to start 10,000 small micro enterprises. I've got it all fully documented, and they don't need much. They need 10,000, 15,000, 25,000 maximum. So this is a good thing, micro lending, and these are the people who definitely return the money. Micro borrowers never try to, let's say, cheat you of the money. Somebody who borrows large amounts, he may cheat you, but micro lenders or borrowers never cheat you. So go ahead, it's a good idea. Can we move to the next one? Unification with nature. Ecotourism is an example. What are the business ideas can you have in that? I like that logo. Yes. Wildlife photography. Suyog says wildlife photography. Anybody else? Good, Suyog. Good thought. Anybody else? Somebody else. Yes. Somebody who's not spoken till now. Yes. Soham, what is that? Sanctuary tours. Okay. Good.
Tourist guide.
Tourist guide. Yes. Thank you, Soham.
Plants through online.
What is this business of hybrid plants through online portal? Can you explain, Priti?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
What we can do is we can initially plant various kinds of hybrid plants, like mixing two different plants and making a new origin of that plant. And
okay.
further, talking about it further, we can actually sell that seeds or even the plant virtually to worldwide, or even in virtually internationally and in national ways. And we can even start many different parts in our own country, small primary sector factories to do that.
Okay, I think that's a very good, and it's a new one on me also. So good one. Thank you very much. Can you move to the next one? Timelessness. I've given an example here, literature. For example, our those who know Marathi, Pula Deshpande is a timeless person because of his literature contributions. Kalidas is a timeless person. Mahatma Gandhi is timeless because he gave us freedom. But there are certain other things. Rabindranath Tagore is timeless. What else do you think is a good business idea for timeless contributions? It's a slightly difficult one. Even I don't know the answers. Can you please try and guess something? Yes? Okay, Sunita ji has said yoga abhyas. Thank you, Sunita ji. Huh? Biographies is a good one. Biographies, preparing biographies of accomplished people. Yes, that's a good one. Good, so that way you can continue. Then we come to the last one, cosmic harmony. There are various ways in which everybody tries to achieve a higher level of meditative thinking, spiritual enlightenment, if you call it, or spiritual identification or whatever. It's a bit hazy even for me, but yoga classes is an example given here. Is there anything else which you can conduct? Yeah. Music, meditation, okay. What else?
Naturopathy.
What is that?
Naturopathy centers.
Naturopathy. Okay, okay. Online pranayama, Reiki. Yeah, good, good. I'm so glad these things are coming up. Good. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I think you have the hang of it. Please complete this. These sheets you can complete and then send back to me. Shall you move on, please? Okay, now this is practically the last exercise of business idea generation, after which we are going to start crystallizing our ideas. Okay. This next worksheet says ways to find enterprise and business ideas. Okay. So that has two columns. Ways to find enterprise idea is on the left, combining first, and then example of the enterprise idea is on the right. First one is saying combining two or more ideas in a new way. Example is given of fruit juice and ice cream. Then I had asked during the webinar, what did Steve Jobs combine in the first iPhone that he announced? Do you people still remember the answer? What did
Yes,
Steve
sir.
Jobs?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just tell one by one.
iPod, calling and Wi-Fi. I mean internet.
Yeah, internet is one he combined.
iPod.
iPod he combined. And what is the third one?
And calling.
And calling, phone. Yeah, camera was also combined into that later on. Wonderful. So similarly, can you now, those who have not answered till now, please work on this. Give us an idea of your own, which will combine two business ideas, two or more ideas. I'll give you about 30 seconds for that. And once you are done, either put your idea there on the chat or flag your hand. Anybody ready? Combining two or more ideas. It's a bit difficult one, but yes, you can do it. Keep Steve Jobs in your mind. Huh? Okay, Tanishka says selling food and deliveries. Okay, that's a good one. Selling food and deliveries. Nowadays, delivery has become very important. Most of the restaurants are surviving on that. Tanishka, good. Thank you. Anybody else, please? Yes. phone. Okay, it's a similar almost catering service. Anybody else, please? Yes, who else has said anything? Okay, you can continue like this. Okay. Anika, can you just unmute yourself and share your thought on that? Combining 2 or more business ideas into a new one. Just unmute yourself, Anika. Are you there, Anika?
So we can open a boutique.
Open
Hello,
up?
sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I can hear
we can
you.
open up a boutique so that there are clothes in there, as well as we can help the customers to know what suits them. Like we are selling clothes as well as working as a fashion designer and helping people to know what their style is or
Okay,
what
okay.
will suit them. So these are like
Yeah. Anika, that's a very good answer. Very good answer. You have just reminded me, just 2 days back, in my office building, I saw a new boutique opening. So since I'm a very great enthusiast of new enterprises, I went there. And like a stupid fellow, I said, hey, what are you guys doing here, opening your shop over here? This is an office building. Nobody comes here. So that entrepreneur started laughing at me because he thought I'm some ignorant fellow. He said, sir, marketplace has changed now. You don't have to necessarily go to a mall or a shopping center or anywhere. The marketplace is on internet, he said. So he says that we have built up a brand. Our brand, their brand is Kahani. It's a very beautiful brand. And we are on the internet. We have a good customer base who have liked us on Facebook, internet, and so many other places. And we show our new designs to them on that. And only when they want it executed, they come to us. You're getting my point. So thank you very much for sharing your thought. Very good. Okay, similarly, there's a, now I'll not go through point by point. There are about 16 types of ways to find business ideas. Before I go ahead, sir, I just want to take half a minute to introduce Dr. Madan Mohan. Sirji, namaskar. Welcome to our humble efforts, sir, trying to teach enterprise education to the youth and children here. At the end of the session, I will request you to say a few words, sir. I'm happy to inform you, Dr. MMP Akhori, who has joined us, he will say a few words to us later. He is a Maharshi of entrepreneurship in India. These children, you have students, youth, you are very fortunate that such a person has joined us today. I right now requested him to remain an observer to see how we are doing it. This is the first time we are trying to conduct a tutorial online, but I think there's a good response from the thing, from the youth. About 30 of them have logged in. So young fellows, keep on going. It's going to be a wonderful time today. Let's continue with the exercise. The third one was finding out what the competition is lacking and providing it. Then the fourth one is a bit tricky. It says, examples are thermocol handicraft, signboard painting, preparing cartoons and embroidery. How on earth did this idea come about? From where did this idea come? So it's a ulta question. Can somebody answer it, please? Put it on the chat or raise your hand and then I'll ask you to unmute. From where did this idea come? Pursuing your hobby. Very good. Soham, thank you for that answer. So from pursuing your hobby, you can go into a business idea. It says like that. So like that, there are total, I think, 16 or 17 types of ways of finding a business idea. I don't intend to go through all of them. Please go ahead with your own methods. After you have solved all of them or some of them, please send your worksheets to me. Yeah, there are total 17 methods. But the one which I'm going to take now is a very interesting one. Item number 14. It says daydreaming and finding a business idea. Think of an idea which you may never have seen, read or heard from somewhere or someone else. Think of an idea which you may have never seen, heard or read. It's a very, very tricky question. But it's the most interesting question. I'm going to wait for about 1 minute for you people to apply your mind. Just be vague, just be, it's a fantasy. You're getting into a fantasy land. find out, think of some idea. Don't question it at all. Just go ahead and think. I'll give you an example of an idea which became a big business idea later. Somebody complained that plastic cups are being used for ice cream, and then it is leading to a lot of garbage and trash. So brainstorming was held, and somebody said, "Arey, paper cup de denge." Somebody said, "Mitti ka cup de denge." And one fellow said, "Why not we make people eat their cups?" What did it lead to? Ice cream cones, which you can eat. So daydreaming is like that. Huh? Please spend about a minute on this exercise, please. This is the one which I'll do with you. Windows नाही बघताय काय झाले कोण Okay, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this one is a very important exercise because that is the one which will lead to path-breaking business ideas. Daydreaming ideas are not necessarily fructified in a day or in the common method. Sometimes it might take 10 years, 20 years to fructify it, but they are going to be what are called as disruptors. They will disrupt the whole business and do something absolutely new. This is also studied in what is a subject called technological forecasting. I would like you to later on, when you are free, Google for it and find out what is technological forecasting. There are so many businesses which have come and gone because new ideas have come. Totally unthought of ideas have come. Now let me see. This one I would like at least 5 or 6 of you to share. Has anybody thought of something? Just unmute yourself. Okay. Sunaina, can you please share your thoughts? Just unmute yourself and go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sunaina?
I think a device or a app should be made in which what we can do, which can be kept in a car, and when some accident occurs, it can alarm, and then it can contact directly and automatically to the ambulance, and we can save many people, I think so, by this thing.
That's an excellent idea, but where do we keep that app, you said?
No, I think we should prepare an app or a device which can be kept in the car, and when a danger is sensed, it can alarm.
Okay.
So
okay.
we can.
Good thought.
It would take time, but we can indulge or implement it nicely.
Very good. Sunaina, thank you for sharing that. Anybody else, please? 2 participants have raised hand. Can I just ask them to unmute and talk, please?
Sir, this is Soham. So what we can do is these days the educational centers like school, colleges, they have a list of qualifications which the teacher should qualify for. I mean, they want qualified teacher, or they want qualifications according to what they want teachers for. So we can create an online platform where teachers and education centers can combine together, and an education center can get refined results of the teachers which match their qualifications. Good. A teacher can get refined results of her working conditions, like what would he or she like to work in conditions, and those conditions with which the college matches it, college or school.
Okay.
So
Okay.
both of them can get refined results.
I think this is a very good thought you have made. Thank you very much, and God bless you for that idea. Then I think Tanishka has raised hand. Tanishka, would you like to share?
So actually, we can make apps like
Your voice is breaking, Tanishka.
Situations, all the malls and other.
I think your voice is breaking.
Am I
Can we?
audible?
Now you are audible. Yes, go ahead.
So due to this pandemic situation, many of the malls and shops have stopped giving the trials of the clothes. So we can make app like where a human can stand and select whichever clothes he or she which suits on him.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wonderful.
So that there will be no spread of any disease and other things.
Thank you. All the best for that. It's a very good idea. Thank you very much. Who else is Vedika Lokhande? Can you please share your thoughts? Unmute yourself and share your thought. Vedika, are you ready?
No, sorry.
Yeah. No. Okay, never mind. Anybody else? Okay, I think we can.
So, like,
Anika, yeah, go ahead.
like there is a Robin Hood army who supplies food to beggars and other poor people. We can build a huge army who supplies food to animals like street dogs and.
Oh, okay. Good. That's also a good idea. Good
we
idea.
can also place so that they can like just sleep there or go there and be safe from people, because there are many people who harm dogs and other animals.
Yeah. Oh, I like Anika, thank you. You're a good animal lover, and they also have their rights, and you're thinking of it. It's a good thought. Okay, is there anybody else before we move on? Thank you very much. All of you have been so nice, and I'm quite sure that all of you are going to make very good, successful entrepreneurs in future. Okay, I think I'll move on. Thank you very much. Please complete that exercise yourself. There are about 17 ways of doing business idea generation according to this activity. Okay, the next one is a business idea generation, where an actual example of blockchain solutions has been taken. This is an optional home exercise, so I'm going to skip it for now. Those who want to discuss it with me can wait on after the rest of the people have left. For a moment, I will leave it because it's a sort of advanced exercise dealing with information technology and other solutions. We'll do it later. I want to come to this lesson 13, village or town as an economic activity. In that exercise, you have been given a crossroad of your town, and you are supposed to have written actual businesses or enterprises, etc. that may be there. Example is given: Radha's Handicrafts, Ramesh Tailors. It can be coaching classes, it can be a small manufacturing unit, it can be a large institution also, anything. Those circles are all various business ideas and enterprises which physically exist. Now we are getting down into actual. So you have to think of your own environment, your own town, your own city, your own road which you are living on, or whatever road you want to work on. You can take Deccan Gymkhana, you can take Camp, you can take Pimpri Nilak, wherever you are, whichever place in Pune you are. Physically write down the enterprises or businesses that exist on a road over there. I think some people have done it. I will not wait for people to answer it. I'll just want somebody who has already done it to share. Who would like to share? One of you? Who would like to share? Can you unmute yourself and talk, please? Anyone who has done the exercise? Yeah. Anybody from Tanishka, Soham, Swarali, Ruchi, Sanchita? Are you ready to share? Yeah, Tanishka, go ahead. Tanishka, would you like to share?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
So, sir, on right side, I have written school, stationery shop, and fruit mart.
Okay.
And below that, I have written salon, cafe, and snack center. And then on the same side, vegetable market, ice cream shop, and grocery shop. And then downwards, mall and library.
Okay, very good, very good.
And then on left side, I have written gift shopping. Then Radha's handicraft, as I have written. Juice center. Kids wear parlor, medical shop.
Good.
Then Ramesh Tailor. Then I have written car showroom.
Car showroom, yeah.
Photo studio. Slim City. Electronic shop. And then I have written college. And in that empty box, as per on the road, on the entire road, there are no hotels, cineplex, or jewelry shop or theater. So any one of the thing can be built there.
Very good, very good. I am so happy with your logic and thinking. Thank you very much. Is this based on a particular location in Pune or wherever you are?
Yeah, I'm in Pune only.
Yeah, which location is this roughly?
So Ajmera.
Ajmera housing. Yeah, Ajmera. Good, good. Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. Okay, can the rest of you please solve this exercise at your home? Do you have any doubts about it? Anybody wants to ask anything, or can I move on? Can you solve it
for
yourself
this
now?
exercise, do we need to give a shop, shop map for a specific area, or do we need to create it on our own?
Actually, a specific area is better because then it makes you think very practically. Because the next exercise which is joined to this is imagine that there's an empty place over there, and that can be imaginary. But the first part of it has to be preferably real, because it will make you think. Because there are so many other things like which locality it is. If the business you choose, will your prospective customer come over there? If he comes, then does he have parking space? You know, all these things can be done only with respect to an actual place. It cannot be done with respect to an imaginary place.
Okay.
Imaginary places can be always very hypothetical, and you can say, oh, everything is possible.
Sir.
But do it with respect to an actual place. Anybody else? Any other doubt?
Yes, sir. I want to share something.
Who's speaking?
Yes, Suyog.
Suyog, go ahead.
Sir, whenever it comes to about the institutional centers or coaching centers on so it is important to keep one Xerox center. That is important.
Okay, good.
That's the important thing I want to share, because wherever I observe where the institutional coaching centers are there, there are nearby mini Xerox centers I observed near college and near coaching centers also. So
very good.
This can be one more business idea we can put up there.
Very good. Suyog, you are very right. In fact, just below my office there is an Xerox wala, and when I go there sometimes I see students coming.
Yes.
So the law student will say, come and say, hey, ye wali act de do. And that fellow, you know, he's got everything in his mind. He puts out a book or something from somewhere, Xeroxes it and gives it to them. It's amazing. He's a half lawyer himself. So very good. Thank you very much, Suyog. Okay, I'll move on to the next one. Please solve this exercise yourself and then send it to me. Now, based on the actual location, now we are not talking of hypothetical. The business can be hypothetical, but the location environment is actual. You have to make 3 choices of businesses that can be started in that empty shop or empty place. You have to say what is your choice number 1, choice number 2, and choice number 3. Then the flowchart shows that you have to say what are the good points of this choice. And remember one thing, in enterprise, education, or your thinking, always also put what are the negative points of the choice. Don't just put good points. Also put what are the negative points. Put both good and bad point, negative points for both. I'm not saying negative point means not doing that enterprise. Negative point is just being aware of what might be the limitations for you. For example, I have a friend who started a hospital first. And then he found out, oh, he's made a wrong choice because there's no parking space. Where will the patients come and park? Scooters, motorcycles, or cars. So he had to buy one more piece of land adjacent to his hospital. Like these practical things you have to think of. So I would like to spend about half a minute or 1 minute allowing you to talk about it, think about it. Just please take your time, for those who have not yet attempted it, to think of 3 enterprises which can be done in a locality in UO which you know. Put positive and negative points for that. Right now you can just put 1 positive, 1 negative, and then spend some time later for the rest. Take a minute. So you wait for some time.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, first preference. I'd like to give first preference to somebody who has not spoken till now. Can you please raise your hand and unmute yourself and talk? Somebody who has not talked at all. Is there somebody like that who would like to share his thoughts?
Yes, sir.
Tanvi, Vedya, go ahead.
Like my idea is kind of vague right now, but I would like to share it still. My choices of setting a place near a educational institute where students can actually go buy some snacks and spend their time studying over there with their friends, and no one to disturb them over there.
Okay.
And speaking of like next point, what are the good points of this choice? Then like we have a lot of places where 3 or 4 colleges come together. So a place in which like there will be a center place to all those colleges where many students can come together and they can spend time. As we can make it more like I can make it more attractive place where they can post things on Instagram and publicize it, like actually help which will actually help me promote my business.
Okay.
And speaking of negative points of this choice is like current pandemic situation, because it is really it is really dangerous to spend times at such public places right now. But as like I recently heard that WHO declared it will take less than 2 years to kind of finish this pandemic situation, then afterwards I can still start it. And as I said that I want to make it attractive, so I can add like different kind of art supplies which are not usual in the market. They are really unique. But the negative point to that is that most of these attractive, unique and different materials, which stationary materials are produced in China. And I will have to in China, like are not produced in our country to that lot of extent. So I will have to pay a lot of in importing such things over here. So that can be considered as one of the negative points.
Okay. Okay. That's a good thought. And have you thought of any second choice?
Second choice is converting it into stationery. Like, no, not stationery as such, but I actually don't have any
Never
kind of
mind.
second
But,
choice
okay.
right now.
But my insistence is that don't restrict yourself to only one choice. Think of two more.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
And think of also the positive and negative for both. And then come to a conclusion what will be the best thing to do in that particular area. Huh? So thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. I'm very proud of you. You've done a good job.
Thank you.
We'll just have one more sharing, preferably from someone who has not spoken till now. And then we will be going to the end of our class. Is there anybody else who has spent some time thinking? Okay. No, Sunaina Tupe, where are you? Sunaina, can you please
Yes, sir.
unmute? Go ahead. Tell about yourself.
Yes, sir. I think I have a real location, means in Pune. So in Dange Chowk, there is a Aditya Birla hospital. So what we can do, there is a space beside it. And I think so in hospitals, when people come to visit patients, it is necessary for them to have a good quality food. So first preference will be a hotel over there. So they will able to get good food for the patient as well as the people who are coming to meet. Or the second is organic food. Not only vegetables, but we can take egg, milk, ghee. All these things can be placed in that area so that it can be useful for the patients and the surrounding area where the buildings are there.
Okay, good. Any negative points for that, Sunaina?
So actually for hotel, I think in front side there is a big hotel, Hometail. So it can be a competitive field over there.
Okay, Sunaina, I'm so happy that you're thinking of an actual situation because that is setting you thinking about what are the practicalities of your business idea. So
yes, sir. Actually, I'm working on that. I'm thinking a business plan.
Yeah. Please go ahead. And as I said, we are going to have a business plan competition, and there are good prizes for it also. Have you also thought about choice number 2? In that location?
Choice number 2. First was the hotel, and the second one is the organic one.
Okay. Good. Okay. Yes. Good. So spend more time, Sunaina. Take 3 choices and then come to one choice.
Yes.
Okay, now I think, shall I please stop over here and request all of you attendees to complete this worksheet on yourself and then send it to me. You can either send it filled up in this electronically, or you can even make a Word document and send it. Anybody else wanted to say something? Did I hear a voice? No, I think, okay, good. Thank you. We can go ahead, right? Now we come to the almost concluding question. In the activity sheets that were sent to you, the last sheet is preliminary business plan. As I said, you do not have to write it completely within the first webinar itself. Right now, you are ready to answer the first question of that business plan, which is what is the idea behind your product or service? Why is it unique? Important thing is, why is it unique? And when I say idea, I don't mean the product or service per se, but what I mean is what is the thought behind it? I'll give you an example. If you take Google, Google was started with an idea which said that, and please Google for Google itself, and you'll find it says that our vision or our business idea is to reach information to the doorstep of people. It's a one-liner. Are you getting my point? From all the exercises which we have done, you have got at least, I think all of you must have at least 20, 30 new ideas have come through. But what is the basic vision behind it? What is the idea, business idea behind it? It's not the product or service I'm talking now. Huh? Be very careful. I'm not talking, sir, I'm going to make water bottles. No. You're going to give what is your vision. Like Google gave a vision. We want to reach information to the doorsteps of people. Imagine, beautiful vision. And from that, a worldwide business has started. Are you getting my point? Think of that. It's the core. I'm not going to answer unless somebody is very ready. I don't want an answer just now. Is there somebody who's very ready just now and say, yes, sir, this is my vision? I should have used the word, what is the vision, not idea. Should I? Is anybody ready with his vision? Because that is the last question we are going to answer now.
Sir, my vision with that teacher and education combining online platform is ease of access to everyone.
Ease of access, yeah, something like this. Pithy, very one-liner, very good. Anybody else? Anybody else is ready with his business vision? Sunaina, what did you say? Just repeat it. Sunaina?
I think Fit India and Healthy India is my quote. So by organic food, we can make it.
Very good, Sunaina. I'm so happy with your thoughts. Very nice, very nice. Go ahead. It's very beautiful idea. See, very good vision. See, I don't know if any of you remember the last. Yeah, who else? Somebody else? Anybody else? No mind. If you remember we concluded our last webinar with just one sentence. We said, Udatta Drishti Uttam Srishti. Do you remember? Anybody remembers? Udatta Drishti Uttam. That is, if you have a big vision, sublimated vision, then your creative processes will make the resources, the thoughts, the people, the materials available to you. So your thoughts have to be very sublimated when you start your business. Don't start a business saying, "Mujhe ye product banana hai." That is the much later stage. First, your vision has to be very clear, and it has to be udatta, sublimated, very higher level. Then you go down. From vision, you'll go down to mission. From mission, you'll go down to actually activities, products, services. The whole thing will flow into it. Good. I think I'm through with most of what I wanted to say today. 1.5 hours now. Is there a specific question and answer? Otherwise, I just want to go to the last slide. Any specific question and anybody?
So, are you going to continue this activity discussion tomorrow also?
Tomorrow it will be a different group of 30, but the same discussion, same exercises will be done with them. So unless you want to join again, you are welcome to join again, but it's the same exercises. It's another set of 30 people, another set of Rotaracts and Interacts will be attending. I had 60, I did not want to interact with 60 people, it's very difficult to interact. That's why I took 30 and I think we succeeded fairly well. Okay. Somebody is talking behind whose mic is on, can you just switch it off? So this is my last sheet. Send your worksheets and feedback and suggestions. If you have any feedback and suggestions, please send it to me at pradeepbag.rotary@gmail.com. Given the limitations of COVID-19 lockdowns or restriction of movements and restriction of gatherings, we are having to do it online. Did it serve the purpose? Did it clarify something to you? Did your difficulties get resolved? Are you feeling good and enthused for going further? That's my request to you. Thank you very much. Only the guests who have come, Sunita, then Chittur sir, if you are there, Akhori sir, Sanjeev, I request you to wait for another 5-10 minutes so that we can take feedback. Wait a minute. Hello. Don't log out just now. I just forgot. Dr. Akhori, can you please give your impressions and thoughts? Sorry, I totally forgot. Dr. Akhori ji, I request the attendees to please wait. Please go ahead.
I am highly delighted to see the way Pradeep conducted this really useful and fruitful sessions. Second thing is that I am highly delighted to see how the peoples are coming from within, and they are in a position to on the verge of innovations itself. With the only words I want to conclude is the high potential that is there in all of us, given actually up till now generally 5% of us are using 10% of the potential given to us, and that is about imagination. About the 14th point that he was showing was the daydreaming, and that is the heart of the entrepreneurship. Actually, the innovation is the heart of the whole of entrepreneurship, and this comes from our own potential. Each one of us are having loaded with it, and let us use our own potential, which I have seen here in this 30 minutes exercise. People have started using their own potential. And I keep assuring you, dear friends who are there, the 30 youth people, if you start using your own imaginations, probably you are going to achieve more than what has been structurally planned to it. Thank you. Feel confident about it and go on using it. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Akhoury. My friends, let me tell you that you are very fortunate to hear Dr. Akhoury ji. It's like, I don't know, listening to some Maharshi, Vyasa or somebody. Akhoury ji, we will definitely associate you in future also. Thank you for this short thing. Sunita ji, you are a teacher. Would you like to comment something to the students over here?
Okay, sir, I'll be very glad to say something. And we always say necessity is the mother of invention. Yeah. And the pandemic situation that has arisen now has given us, everyone to think widely, on different aspects, what all business we can provide or what the society needs now. And as Pradeep ji always strike on the point that, we want the present youth to become the job givers and not the job seekers. And seeing the participation of the attendees today, I really felt happy that they are thinking in that direction, and they already have the business ideas and varied business ideas and out of the box business ideas, and definitely our whatever efforts we are doing together is going to bear fruits in future and in near future, not so very far off.
Thank you, Sunita. Thank you, Sunita.
So much.
So nice
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah.
Okay. Any quick feedback from any of the attendees today? Or can we? Any quick feedback which we should take into?
Sir, this discussion was awesome, and we would like to have further discussions like this. Thank you very much, sir.
So, thank you. Okay, I just wanted to leave you with the information which I said earlier. There will be 3 more webinars. Webinars will be lecture mode, so that there's no interaction, but that is basically to give you the next lessons and the next exercises. As I was just said in the morning to Dr. Akhoury ji, who leads India's Entrepreneurship Forum, enterprise education which we are dealing with here at our level with the students of schools and colleges is only to give you a sanskar of being entrepreneurial. It is not expected that the moment you do this course with us, you will suddenly become entrepreneurs. That's not feasible. Becoming entrepreneurs is a big journey. It might take you 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years also to become an entrepreneur. I remember this enterprise education was being taught in a school in Australia, and I had asked the teacher over there, sir, how soon will these high school students use this knowledge which you are giving? And I was shocked with the answer. He said, it could be as much as 40 years from now. It could be as much as 40 years. See, what they are doing in their society is just sowing the seeds and giving the necessary sanskar, the necessary discipline. It's like teaching maths, geography, history. It's not that every school child who does geography becomes a geographist, or every school child who does maths becomes a mathematician. But these are the basic sanskars which he uses to qualify himself further. Also, those who do this enterprise education, they may become entrepreneurs, they might become intrapreneurs. That means even if you get employed in a corporate, you will be enterprising in your way of approach to the enterprise. Thirdly, the third category will be, so first is entrepreneurs, and third is motivators. That is people like Sunita ji, myself, Sanjeev ji, Akhoury ji, who are at an age where we have achieved whatever we wanted in our life, and now we are in the process of wanting to motivate others to move ahead in life. So with these concluding remarks, unless there is anybody else, I don't think there's anybody else left to talk among the seniors. So I want to thank you all for being with me. Only Sunita ji and Akhoury ji, you can wait. Sanjeev ji, you can wait. Others, if you like, you may please log out now.